Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Margareta Susanti, and I'm from Professor Dr. Mustopo Beragama University in Jakarta. I have the paper. The name is Does Leadership Require Competency in Realizing the Performance of the Government Internal Oversight Apparatus, or APIP, in Chief Inspectorate Secretariat General of the Indonesian House of Representatives. This paper has some phenomenal backgrounds which are: Leader Apparatus State Civil Service (ASN) must be capable of balancing all changes with change fundamental to relevant system and people with the times. Official High Leadership (PPT) has showed ASN leaders must own high commitment and give example or role models in the environment of their respective jobs. Related evaluation needs leaders who can use stimulation to push the performance of employees to be optimal, as well as increase mark through self, motivation, and performance of employees. The effective role can be materialized if supported by APIP, which is competent in the field so that more quality of achievement performance and reliability is key to success in implementation, activity assurance, and consulting. Based on the phenomenal background research objective studies, the framework, namely transformational leadership, introduces the exogenous variable but the performance endogenous variable mediated by competence as an intervening variable, and there are 4 hypotheses. Next, about plans and time of research. This study was conducted of the Chief Inspectorate Secretariat General of the Indonesian House of Representatives from September 2022 to February 2023. The population consists of 60 respondents employees in Chief Inspectorate Secretariat General of the Indonesian House of Representatives. Next, about methods analysis technique. The study uses approach quantitative with the testing hypothesis. Primary data was obtained with a spread questionnaire using the scale Likert. Retrieval technique, as used technique, sample fit up is all over the population. Analysis of data quality is carried out with validity, reliability, and data normality test. Analysis model equation using the PET analysis. A validity test is used to measure the validity of something questionnaire, and a reliability test is used to know the extent of the result measurement is still consistent. Scale of instrument returns the same value for each measurement done. Something construct said reliable if Cronbach alpha value is big of 0.7. About the respondent characteristic, there are 4 respondent characteristics. There are about gender, age, education, and year of service. Next, about validity and reliability results. The variable of leadership, transformational, competence, and performance have valid and reliable results because the results of the Cronbach alpha is big 0.7. The result of Kolmogorov-Smirnov 0.163 mean the variable has a significant value of SAM sin two-tailed greater than 0.05. So according to the basis of taking a decision of the Kolmogorov-Smirnov normality test above, it can be concluded that the data is normality distributed. Next, the Kolmogorov-Smirnov results to know the variable distribution is normal because the results 0.163 more than 0.05. Now about the PET analysis results. T-calculated Sobel test obtained 2.291, T-table 2.001. So because the calculated value is greater than the T-table, and the significant value obtained from online Sobel test calculation obtained a significant value of 0.0 less than 0.05, the transformational leadership variable on APIP performance through competence has a significant effect. The conclusion, leadership transformational role is important is an organization because leadership transformational is capable of improving the performance of APIP employees in making APIP performance good caused by indicator competence. So that APIP performance will increase is a process of paying attention to determination of objective APIP performance at the main inspectorate of the Secretariat General of the DPRRI. The implication that the value contained in the leadership transformational proven capable of increasing APIP performance of the Chief Inspectorate Secretary General of the Indonesian House of the Representative. Through competence leadership role can give hint to APIP employees to carry out training by competence increasingly good leadership transformational implemented by Pratama High Leadership. So will the more competence is also hike his employees for increasing performance of achievement out on performance organization. So this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for the attention.